RTI activist DISPARSING RANI had informed NEWSPERSONS at a press conference held on 11th October 2021 about the RTI report on the encroachment of the cremation ground at Mawkhan PASIR village under Mylliem block. The RTI activist, after having filed the RTI with the Office of the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District, said that the land dispute at Mawkhan PASIR village is between the Seng Khasi, the Catholic Church and the Shillong. DISPARSING RANI added that the DISPARSING of Mylliem has given a decision that as long as there is no final ruling by a higher court of law, the plot of land would be looked after and taken care of by the DISPARSING Mylliem. A case to this effect with the court of the executive magistrate D. Lingdo is still pending, informed DISPARSING RANI.
Te kani ka jinglong kuman ne jingbom pensyai le jingbom khot yakran la ne jingbom khot dorbar jong ni ka snong Mawkhan kala pelong ye kani ka Seng Khasi imat ban pentip no syak snong hak ar pro praterik benai bakat ar haja ar pro ba kinsi na yu mo pot ha te lum kumbakam ka snong de lum jing tep snong how te lum jing tep snong rei nak lang Khasi Seng Khasi ba ka ong ba ne le lum bala ju thang ya gi bang long Khasi na du kolong kuma bala pen si charo kata da jing don jong mor si arang tu te kene jing ai jing tip jong ni ka Seng Khasi sya ka snong ban si mo pot no te kala pelong ya ka snong ban pentip ne ban pen phai ya halor kene jing pentip jong ni ka Seng Khasi lang ba I sekretari I kong pen hun lang nongrong te hukum na snong bat ha ka ar khandai tarik benai ba khat ar haja ar pheu hi ka snong ko ong ba sange shwa ya kane jing li si mo put tat hadu banda rai da ka dor ba snong kata de ka jing pentip na jing pen phai jong rong ba snong ha lor kane chithi ka ba pentip ka Seng Khasi ban si yo mo put ha ar pratrik ti kane ka jing pentip jong ka snong ba omsha ban si mo put tat hadu banda rai ka dor ba snong kamut kini kilai parti na bata kajing sup jong snong kini kilai parti ka Seng Khasi ka snong bat ka balang thlik kin jadon lang ta komiti ha ka baka dorbar badus iem kin pech wai kin jika tat hadu bandarai da ka yeng bishar ka kamalor